how to download Farming Simulator 2025, or you can say 25, on your Windows computer. So first, what you have to do is open your browser. I'm using Chrome, and from here just type Steam. So once you search for Steam, you will get this result. All right, just tap here once, and from the top here you will find install Steam button. Tap here and again install Steam. Now we have to install Steam in our computer. So this is the setup which we have just downloaded. Just double click here. Now we are about to install Steam. So for that, just press next and select your language. Next, choose your destination and press the install button. So I'm not going to install it because I have already done it. And make sure to create an account for the first time if you open Steam. So once you have installed and created account, so all you have to do is just open your Steam. And once you open Steam, you will find this interface. So from the store here, just click on the store. Now when you see here, there will be a search box. So what you have to do is just search for Farming Simulator 25. So once you search for Farming Simulator 25, you will find this game here. Just tap here. So this is the game. All you have to do, scroll down, and this is the add to cart. Just tap here and then view my cart, and from here you have to pay for the game. So just click here, and on the next screen you will have to fill up your credit card or debit card information and just buy the game. So once you have bought the game, you will find your game in your library. So this is where you your purchased game will be reflected. This is the place. So just click the game, and then there will be a big install button like this. Just tap here and you are good to go. So this is how you download Farming Simulator 25 on your Windows computer.